Here I've got KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you have to locate and open the browser that you're using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, which is 3.1 in the right upper corner, and then select History. And as you can see here, you've got all history data. If you'd like to remove it, just click on Clear Browsing Data. Now under Basic, you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also card images and files. And then if you move to Advanced Options, you will have a few more possibilities, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, and also Site Settings. So just mark those options that you would like to remove. I would like to get rid of all of those. And finally select the time range. So just click on Time Range and then pick the preferred option. I will choose All Time. Then tap on Clear Data. Confirm that you would like to do it. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. So all the data is removed. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.